Indra Nooyi's personal brand was marked by strategic vision and cultural empathy. Her focus on employee well-being redefined PepsiCo's brand and drove growth. Her story underscores the power of personal values in shaping corporate culture. Now, how do you apply this on your personal branding game? Integrate personal values into your brand and leadership style. Use AI tools like HubSpot to align your content with your audience's values. Follow for more personal branding stories and read My Life in Full for more insights on Indra Nooyi's journey.
Indra Nooyi's story begins in Chennai, India. A city known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant energy, Chennai provided the perfect backdrop for the early years of a future leader. The bustling streets, filled with the sounds of vendors and the aroma of street food, were a constant reminder of the city's dynamic spirit. She was raised in a family that valued education and hard work. Her parents believed that knowledge was the key to a better future, and they instilled this belief in their children from a young age. The family home was a place where books were cherished and learning was encouraged. Her mother, a strong and independent woman, instilled in her a belief that she could achieve anything. Nooyi excelled in academics, often staying up late to study and always striving to be the best in her class. Her mother's words of encouragement and unwavering support were a constant source of motivation. She pursued a degree in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. These subjects, often considered challenging, were no match for Nooyi's determination and intellect. She thrived in the academic environment, always eager to learn more and push the boundaries of her knowledge. Even as a young girl, Nooyi possessed a natural curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. She would often be found with her nose buried in a book, exploring new ideas and concepts. Her inquisitive nature set her apart from her peers and laid the foundation for her future success. She wasn't afraid to challenge the status quo. In the classroom, she would raise her hand to ask questions that others might shy away from. Her confidence and willingness to speak up made her a natural leader among her classmates. She questioned norms and wasn't shy about expressing her opinions. Whether it was in a debate or a group discussion, Nooyi's voice was always heard. She had a unique ability to articulate her thoughts clearly and persuasively, earning the respect of her peers and teachers alike. This spirit of inquiry, coupled with her inherent drive, would later define her leadership style. She believed that asking the right questions was just as important as finding the right answers. This approach would serve her well in her future career, where she would often challenge conventional wisdom to drive innovation and change. Nooyi's upbringing played a pivotal role in shaping her values. Family dinners were a time for lively discussions and debates, where everyone was encouraged to share their thoughts and ideas. These conversations helped Nooyi develop her critical thinking skills and taught her the importance of listening to different perspectives. Hard work, integrity, and a commitment to excellence became her guiding principles. She believed that success was not just about talent, but also about dedication and perseverance. This mindset helped her achieve numerous academic accolades and set the stage for her future accomplishments. These values, deeply rooted in her Indian heritage, would later become the foundation of her success on the global stage. The rich traditions and cultural practices of her homeland taught her the importance of community, respect, and humility. These lessons would guide her throughout her career, helping her navigate the complexities of the corporate world with grace and integrity. From the bustling streets of Chennai to the world's largest boardrooms, Nooyi's journey is a testament to the power of dreams. Her rise to the top was not without challenges, but she faced each obstacle with determination and resilience. Her story is a powerful reminder that with hard work and perseverance, anything is possible. She is an inspiration to aspiring leaders around the world. Her journey from a young girl in Chennai to the CEO of a global corporation is a beacon of hope for those who dare to dream big. She has shown that leadership is not just about holding a position of power, but about making a positive impact on the world. She shows that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. Nooyi's story is a testament to the fact that true leadership is about more than just achieving personal success. It's about inspiring others, breaking down barriers, and paving the way for future generations. Her legacy is one of courage, resilience, and unwavering commitment to excellence.